Hello, everyone. Good evening, and welcome to my live stream. How are you guys doing? Welcome to Oyoyo's Live. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Oyoyo. Come on in. Let's have amazing evening with a great conversation. So come on in, come on in, come on in. Let's connect. All right. So how are you doing, by the way? How has the day been for you? Has it been great? Mine has been okay so far. Just okay. I hope your day has been great though. Welcome to my live stream. Join me today for an amazing conversation. I guess you guys have already seen my title. Anyways, welcome. As you come into today's live stream, do me well by sharing the live stream, okay? Share, invite your friends, and contribute in the comment section. Let me make sure my laptop is plugged so we don't have a break in transmission, okay? So let's show that here. Uh, all right, so it's plugged. Welcome, all of you. Pat Felix, thank you for joining. Julian, thank you for being here. Suzette, thank you for joining. How are you doing? You late. I'm so sorry. I was trying to round off from work and I got a late call. So it extended my stay at work. That's why. Sorry about that. Okay. Sorry for being late. And I was happy with some of the things I saw regarding Korra Obidi's hearing, though the whole detail has not been, put out there on the internet. But we'll be discussing all of that once we have the whole judgment of the day. But however, welcome. Let's discuss with what we have on. Okay, so join me today for an interesting conversation. And as you come in, as always, don't forget to like the live stream. Don't forget to support the host by contributing in the comment section. You guys know my live stream are very conversational, so I don't just talk, I talk with my audience because they make immense contribution to my live streams. So let me make sure I share myself out. As you come in, please share. And how are you guys doing? Join the conversation because it's getting interesting, okay? It's getting interesting. Some people are, deleting the rant they made on Facebook, but people already screenshot the whole thing and shared on their platform. So if you miss it from from the person's page, you definitely will find it on Facebook, okay? And why the rush to delete? Those are the questions we'll be asking ourselves. Why? If you feel you did the right thing, why are you in a hurry to delete it? What is going on? Why? All right. So, guys, from my title, you can see my thumbnail is saying that Korra win big. Remember, they have restraining order hearing and other, adjournment that Cora joined in the lawsuit. She's asking for legal custody. She's asking for custody revisitation. Let me just summarize it as a whole. So custody revisitation, which will now give the court the ability to review how these two parents, how they've done for the past 2 years since they gave them 50-50 custody, and what is going on, who is being a present parent and who is not, who is violating the orders of the CPS and who is not. And also, let's not forget that one of the things that made way to the court document was the fact that baby A's pictures and videos were shared in the WhatsApp group. And Cora stated in the document she submitted before the court that that was so traumatizing for her that strangers are now coming to babysit her kids and sharing their pictures, unclad pictures and videos of her children. Those are the things the court will be reviewing. Okay, so the details as they come in, we'll be discussing all of that. Bridget, thank you for joining me today. It's been a while. Honestly, I traveled internationally, so I just, came back and trying to settle back into the conversation. I know I've missed a lot, but we are trying to catch up from where we stopped, okay? So welcome, welcome all of you. Michelle, thank you for being here. Oh, yeah, good night. God never fail. I believe that too. Miriam, how are you? I know. I apologize, all of you. Longmat is so wicked. She's still saying Cora did not get legal custody. The whole judgment of the court, I did not see. But the one I know that is very obvious was that the restraining order Mr. Korra Obidi filed was thrown out by the court. Mhm. Yes, 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 yes. Is a good thing. Okay. When I mean is a good thing. Remember, the restraining order was that Korra should not talk about him directly or indirectly. That means Korra's siblings, Korra's Nancy, and the rest of them. Nobody should be. So that was kicked out of the way by the court. So I believe the court did not see any reason to grant that. That could be the reason why it was not, upheld, kind of. So and we'll be getting the full details. I believe by the end of business today, the whole court hearing and proceeding will be on the internet. And once we download that, trust Oyoyo to come tomorrow so that we can all analyze that and then digest that as well. Okay. So let me pull some info for us to discuss. Give me 1 second. Let me pull some info. Let's see. Okay. All right. All right. All right. I really love the way people analyze these things and the way they talk about it. You need to read some of the analysis so that you can be able to understand. When I laugh, don't ask me what is so interesting in today's hearing. For a court to reject a restraining order, the court has seen reasons to do so. Okay, so nobody should fool you and tell you otherwise. Whoever that is talking about anything should go ahead and talk. This is not a 1 day trial. This kind of case is not a 1 day trial. It's something that the court will continue to review, and they might have some adjournment, to further hear the case, especially the particular clause that Cora also, is seeking from the court, the fact that a stranger shared the pictures of her kids on social media is a big deal. So that particular case on its own is not something you just go today, they will give you fast hearing because your what? Is the world going to collapse if they don't finish the case today? Never. The world is not collapsing. So um let me read something quickly and we'll get back to it, okay? Ah, so this guy went on ranting in the video he already deleted, but some people already screenshot the video, like I said, that he's going to reinforce the permanent restraining order. And he was saying with his full chest, as though he is the judge, the jury, and everybody that is going to hear the case. It's not in your domain to decide how the court is going to determine the case. The court will use their legal mind to hear your case. You might come there with all the emotions and all the empathy you want the whole world to give to you. The court will separate emotion from what's legal. They will separate the two, and they're going to focus on, did you fail to do what you're supposed to do, protect your children, which is number one responsibility of a parent, okay? Is expected you protect your children against all the things that have happened to them. Did you fail to do that? Did you bring strangers from Tender or strangers from Philadelphia to come and babysit your children, make videos and share? Those are the things the court will be looking at. Who violated what and who did not? What did you go against? Any ambience, any proceedings, any regulations, rules of the court? They don't care whether people are tearing you on social media because you brought your affairs to social media. I said it here, and one silly human being that is frustrated, old lady, came to tell me in my comment section that I should talk about something else and leave this man alone. By the way, Madam 77, I think that's her name. I'm not holding your tomboy, okay? Neither am I holding your whatever you he is to you. I'm only here to tell him to his face next time if you're having a problem, a relationship problem with your future girlfriend to be or future wife to be, make sure you don't near social media when it goes south. That will be the biggest lesson if this guy will ever learn. Never you come to the court of social media to thinking you're embarrassing your ex, not knowing you're bringing doom to yourself. And that's what is happening now. 3 years going to 4 down the line, this man is reaping the consequences of his action when he made the post, I am divorcing Korra. I don't forget that statement very quickly. So for your likes that will come on my live stream to drop me comment, hey, get ready because Oyoyo Oyoyo has also hands to type and reply. All right. Hey, J Love, where have you been? I traveled, but I'm back. Okay. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. I'm going to read a little thing when just to take us back a little bit about Mr. Korra Obidi. If you guys recall, because I like to juggle our minds, you understand? Hey, Midred, Koreans, how you doing? How are you doing, Was Was? All right, so let me juggle our minds a little so we can remember because we don't forget these things, okay? If I recall, I'm going to making notes, references to the past. If you recall, in June of this year, this man came telling everybody on social media that that the whole thing going on, the whole madness, he has put an end to it. It was much later after the August hearing that we learned it wasn't a permanent restraining order that was granted. It was a temporary pending hearing, okay, which was today's hearing. So the court granted the temporary hearing pending temporary restraining order pending hearing. So the temporary restraining order was heard today. And now, yesterday, he also came on his social media platform, Facebook precisely, making a video that he's going to, you know, reinforce the permanent restraining order. That one was so laughable. I didn't get to watch the video from his page because he deleted it, but lo and behold, the fastest fingers on social media, they downloaded the whole video. Is on Facebook right now. If you go, you're going to find it. If you type his name, you're going to find the video that he made yesterday, and he deleted it today, apologizing to his audience for making that video. So you claiming you're going to definitely reinforce permanent restraining order. You're not the courts. You're not any enforcement agency. You don't have any right, any power, any authority to reinforce anything. Leave that for the court to do. The court, the CPS, the police, those are the people that have the power for enforcing anything. You cannot enforce any law. But the way he said it, that he's going to, reinforce the permanent restraining order, as though it was just within his his ability to do that. Okay, now they went to court today, and the court tossed that particular restraining order that Oga Patakpata was bragging that he's going to reinforce. So what does that mean for Korra? It means that, yeah, Korra can actually have a conversation about this person. Nothing is stopping her if she wants to. No longer, you're not going to talk about me, neither are you or your third party or all of that. No longer. And he's not going to. Let me go back a little bit so I don't be too fast, okay? Um, let me go back a little bit. Give me 1 second. To go back a little bit, okay? So and again, another thing I want us to remember Cora, at some point, she started posting the pictures of her and her kids. So if that one was not made reference to today, that means he has no right whatsoever to stop Korra from doing that. Those were the things that he put out on that restraining order that was tossed. So if the court did not uphold it, you guys already know what is going on. So let me also, because I made some notes here, I didn't want to miss anything. All right. So now I've got my notes ready. Let me take you guys back. That restraining order that was the court, said it will be heard on this day, which is today. And when the court heard the case, there was no reason to uphold the restraining order. Reason why it was trashed or tossed away or tossed aside. There was no reason whatsoever for that. And what it means, it simply means, in the past, if Cora talk about this guy, there is always this thing that are going to delete her video, delete her post, and all of that. Those are no longer applicable right now. They are no longer, that restraining order is no longer there. Okay, now what is the court going to start looking at? The court will start looking at the cases, the strong cases before the court. One of the strong cases is what? Sharing the case video on WhatsApp group to strangers for money. Remember, RICO was also mentioned in that Korra's case. What does it mean in California? You shared this picture because according to the lady that Korra got restraining order on, she said the reason that she sought for this guy's consent, he granted consent that she should share the picture to the women in the WhatsApp group because they were donating, gifting him. Gifting him, that means you're sharing that picture for an exchange of money. And it's a big no-no when it comes to things that the law protects: the children, the vulnerable ones, our elderly. The law is not, in fact, they don't joke with this group of people: children, the vulnerable, the elderly, disabled people. The law is not taking it lightly. So now, the court is going to review all the document before it, especially what Cora is seeking the court. Based on what this person has done, bringing a stranger to watch my kids, sharing the pictures, the unclad pictures and videos of my children, which traumatize Cora as a person. And at the same time, the RICO thing, which is for profit. You share this thing because we are getting something from this group of women. Those are the strong cases before the court. You cannot be violating the orders of the CPS and you think the court will give you restraining order. No. The court is going to look at it. And he did not stop at it. Now, with the evidence of the nannies, not one nanny, two nannies, coming to now confess publicly what transpired in this man's home, saying that she lied in the restraining order. That is, what's her name? I can't remember the name. The nanny that was sharing nasty kitchen video. That she lied what she said to support this man against Cora, that she regretted it. So that is number one. Secondly, the 67-year-old nanny that was with him for over a year, also talking about this person and what is happening in his home, numerous women coming. Of course, for the fact that you're a single father doesn't mean you shouldn't have girlfriend or dates, but you should be able to know the people moving in and out of your home, not someone you meet on, on the internet, tender. And then that woman was there for 8 years. She's not even a certified nanny. She has no license to do the job. And that was the job you gave the nanny. After all, he was also calling the lady a nanny. That means she's qualified by the state of California to babysit. I said yesterday, no, 2 days ago on my live stream, family members can babysit and they do not need license to babysit. So far, they are sane people. They don't have criminal record. They can actually babysit your child. But this lady that came from New York or wherever she came from, is no way related to this man. So meeting her on Tender, I don't know if it was a love meet that he went on Tender to do, or a meet whereby you come and babysit everybody in the house, including the adult in question. I don't know. But you already know what happens when you meet someone in Tender. You already know the story. If you want to meet someone on for nanny, you know where to get the resources. You need to be able to acquire a licensed, registered nanny. And because they are licensed and registered, they've been vetted by the agency that hired them. So when you go through those agents, the agency is guaranteeing that this person has no criminal record, that this person is qualified for, she's been doing nanny job for over 15 years, 10 years, 2 years, 3 years, 7 months. You now pick your choice. But this tender nanny, is it tender or Tinder? I think it's Tinder. Before I'll be saying something else. This Tinder nanny is by no means qualified. Okay, so those are the things now. If they add all of these new findings to what Korra has submitted already, is going to be a big case against this guy. The court is still there. We are still waiting to know what it says about the 50-50 custody. We are still waiting to know what it says about legal custody. Right now, nothing has been finalized. The document, we don't have it. I've been checking the online to see if that document is ready. It's not ready yet. Once it's ready, I will download it and we'll come back here tomorrow to talk about it. Now, I'm gonna ask you guys, have you liked this live stream? You guys watching me right now, how are you supporting this live stream? Like the live stream, share the live stream, and contribute in the comment section. Like the live stream, share as well. Okay, as you share, more people will come in here and also contribute in the comment section in the conversation. Okay, don't forget to do that. For some reason, I just realized that my Facebook was not connected. I don't know what these people are doing with me. I just noticed that Facebook was not connected. No wonder I'm not seeing my Facebook people here. And I tried to stream both at the same time. StreamYard, you're looking for my trouble. Honestly, after you had charged me extra, imagine it was only YouTube that they connected. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it at that. Tomorrow, I'm gonna apologize to my Facebook people, or maybe download this and share on Facebook. Okay, that could be what I would do. Cora, all right. Cora has been a good mother. If they like, oh, let them say Cora hasn't been a good mother. Cora is the worst mother. Blah 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 blah. They now them get their mouth if it's Nigerians. They are entitled to their silly and different opinions. But the thing is, the court has the final say. If you like, from now till tomorrow, to the end of the year, call Korra names. It doesn't change the equation at all. Your name calling on social media, trying to drag Korra, trying to disparage her, will add no value to the case in court. The moment you guys start realizing that, the best for you, especially your mental health. Because for you to come on social media and be cussing somebody out, that means your head is completely ruined. You're miserable, and that's why what is going on in your mind. So if you like, call Cora names. It will not change the fact that this person you think is the right person has brought strangers to his home to babysit his children so that he could go having fun with his friends. And that same stranger went on to take pictures of these children, made videos of these children, and shared to group of women in the WhatsApp group. Women that are not related to these children, they are not related to Justin, they are not related to Cora. These women are just what I call bunch of women, bunch of miserable women on WhatsApp group looking for means to make Cora look bad. So if that's okay by you, that's a good thing, a good parent should do, let them do that to your children or your grandchildren. Then you know how it feels. If somebody should take your child's picture with her, maybe no diaper on, and share to your group of bunch of miserable people, let it also happen to you or happen to your grandchildren. Then you'll be able to feel the impact a little bit. Because when a sane woman is crying what they did to her child, you have the audacity to go online and be calling Korra name. My advice to you, if you like, call Korra name, say, or is not going to change the facts of this whole thing. And what are the facts? Fact number one, this guy went for a drink with his friends and left his children in the hands of a woman he met on social media. And the woman took pictures and videos, and the man said, yeah, it's okay to share to my gifters. And they distributed it on social media. It's against the law. It is. Sharing of children's pictures, unclad pictures, video, against the law. And another thing is, hired a lady from Tinder, and the lady concocted and collaborated with this person, lied against Korra to make the restraining order look good. But how is it going? Madam Righteous and Madam Morals, for those of you that will come to my comment section to write nonsense, how is it going? Is your cursing or curse words against Korra better than what the legal system is going to say? Allow the courts to do its job, and you can carry your miserable self out of my live stream. All right. Welcome, 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 all of you. Thank you for joining me today. Big Cora, congratulations. God is good, Oyoyo. Thank you so much, Kamen. Thank you for joining. MTA, thank you. Jeba, and she's still sharing. Yes, I saw her post on Instagram that she'll stop sharing on Instagram, that she's going to take it on Facebook. But I've not been able to go to Facebook to look for her. That is the thing. I've not been able to go to Facebook to look for her. Okay. So I will look for her and then see what she's sharing. All right. JJ, hi, yo. Are you still in motherland? No, sis. I'm back. As though I never left. I'm back. I'm back. Cheers. Yeah. Thank you. Joanne. Oh my God. I'm seeing all my people. I really, really missed you guys. Honestly, I really missed you guys. So the bottom line is still this: that restraining order that this man was bragging yesterday evening on his live stream, saying that he's going to reinforce the permanent restraining order. I was like, ha, if this guy were to be a lawyer, he would have used that to, to do a lot to Cora. But unfortunately, he's not the law, he's not the legal system. He still has to go through the legal system to enforce anything. It's not in your place to enforce. It is the law, the court that will say we are granting permanent restraining order, we are granting temporary restraining order, and this must be enforced. Only the legal system has that right. So, Oga, think again. And it's a good thing he went to apologize, because I guess he realized, oh, I shot myself on the leg. So 3 hours ago, he went and apologized on his Facebook, telling people he was sorry for making that video. Okay. Miriam, thank you for joining me today. Congrats to Korra. At least there is light at the end of the tunnel. Exactly. Exactly. At least Korra can make her videos and make her videos in peace. Because this guy had the right, the audacity they got to sit down, made multiple videos against Korra, calling her all manner of names, and Korra kept quiet. Korra did not get any restraining order up until the whole thing came back to court and started happening again. So now, let him know that the court system is not your father's living room. Is not your father. Is not your dining table. Allow people to do their job. All right. Financial survivor empower coach, life coach. How are you doing? Does it still have a lawyer? Right now, we don't even know. I don't know if he does. I'm just waiting for them to upload the court judgment so we can be able to see if he had representation today or not. So I'm eagerly waiting. It's just 3:43 p.m. in California. So I guess by the close of business today, those documents will be uploaded and we will definitely and get hold of those. So I'm happy that that particular restraining order that he said he got a restraining order in June. I'm taking you guys back a little so we can remember. He got restraining order in June. Yesterday night again, he now said he's going to enforce the permanent restraining order. Oga, it doesn't work like that. The court system is not your father's living room that you come and yakata anyhow. If you like, you raise your leg or you drink and drop your beer bottle. It's not that. You have to follow the rules of the court. And the court is not really interested in your emotions. The court is interested in facts and figures, evidence. And are there evidence in this case? Sure. When Korra sought for revisitation of the custody order, why do you guys think Korra is doing that? Because of the pictures of her children that were shared, because those women were gifting this guy. So he consented, according to Madame Crystal. He consented that the pictures, videos be shared. And he came and lied that the pictures were doctored, that those were not the children. And he lied again that FBI has checked all the boxes and said the picture is of there was nothing bad about the picture. So multiple different statements coming from him. Now we are waiting to know what the court said. Welcome. Graham, thank you for joining today. And to Annette. Annette said it's not a win. He gave her full he gave her full custody. Ah, Annette, where did you get that from? I'm still looking for that document. Where did you get that he gave full custody? Why is he giving full custody? That's my question to you. Why is he giving full custody? Let me see um if the court or document has been uploaded. Let me also see, because I've been waiting all day um to see if um let me see. I'm looking at it right now to coverage. I'm trying to see if that has been uploaded because I need to know where you're getting that your information from. The man giving full custody to Korra, why and how? This man that said he's going to take the children from him, blah, 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 blah. I don't want to believe that. I don't want to believe, honestly, that he would just give full custody like that. I'm not seeing it on internet yet, but I'll continue to look. If I find it, definitely tomorrow we are going to come here to talk about it. Okay. Um, he had representation today. Okay. He had representation today. That's a good thing. She won full custody. Really, really, beauty family. Where are you getting this info? How come I'm not seeing it? Where are you getting this info? Hey, let it be true because that's what I've been praying for, the sanity of these children. Honestly, that's what I've been praying for, the sanity of these children. I'm still looking. I'm trying to see. I'm not seeing that on that website yet. No, I'm not seeing it yet. I want to believe what you're saying, but I need to confirm it once I get hold of the document. I'm going to say that she's a public person. I'm asking because people keep saying she. Okay, you're asking. Okay, no. That wasn't the one. I know for certain is that the restraining order he sought for was tossed by the court. That was not granted. So that's the one I know for sure right now. The whole judgment of the court, we haven't seen that because it hasn't been uploaded. because I can't lay my hands on them from Unicourt yet. Once I am able to lay my hands on them, I'll be able to say for sure what happened. But right now, I don't see that. Okay. So you're asking, thank God for clarifying that you're asking, because I was wondering where you got that from. Okay. We'll definitely we'll find those things. So that wouldn't be a problem. We'll definitely will lay our hands on those things. But right now, I don't see that. I don't see that right now. I don't see that. Okay. Until I see that, then I'll be able to know what the court said. Okay. Right now, I don't see that. So let's hope, see, I'll wait patiently until we'll be able to lay hands on the document to make, very certain statement. But the one I know is that the RO, the restraining order, has been tossed. So that is the position right now, and nothing else, has been confirmed. Until we confirm that, then we'll be able to say for sure what is going on there. But we haven't confirmed that yet. Okay. All right. So why are we here and why are we waiting? My prayer for Korra, like, I don't believe in hearsay. I like evidence to back whatever I'm saying up. So my prayer is for the decision of the court to be very decisive, especially for the best interest of these children. Because if they are focused with one parent who is there available, it will be easier for the children. Imagine a child that is 2 years old. From what we gathered on my last live stream, that this man has changed about nine nannies in the course of what, 2 years, 2 years of life. You've changed nine nannies. What will now happen when the child is 10? That means she would have gone through maybe hundreds of nannies. So if the children are focused with one family who can readily be available to care for them, and also be mindful of the kind of strangers you're bringing in your home to babysit your children, that will be best for those children. We can't argue that. We know that will be best for the children. So focusing them with, you know, people they know, maybe family members, or even if they're going to have a nanny, let it be somebody that is verified, not a stranger from nowhere, a stranger you met on Facebook because the person wants to deport your ex. You've welcomed the person home and they're busy sharing the pictures. I need us to also focus on the bone of contention, revisitation of the custody decision of the court. That's what Cora is talking about. And then granting legal rights, legal custody, which means legal custody means that one parent, if a parent is given legal custody, it means that that parent has all the right to make decisions concerning the children. When it comes to education, medical, travel, anything about the children, the person with the legal custody right makes those decisions concerning the children. All right, let me read something. He did because both nannies went to CPS and they have a case with him. So she has full. Eve, are you for real? Eve, if you're still here, are you serious? That the nanny, because I know the older nanny, the one that was 67, says she's already reporting to CPS. Are you for real that they already reported to CPS? This case is bigger than what we think. Oh. And remember, this is even a newer development. It's not even among the things Coral had filed in the court. So by the time they join all of these issues, it's not going to look good for this man. If you really love this man, advise him. It's time. There is a way you do something, you start advising yourself. If you're still here, let me know. Are you for real that the nannies went to CPS? Ah, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I I don't know if you're still here. Please confirm that for me, Eve. She seems very happy. Therefore, congratulations are in order. Yeah, congratulations are in order. Mary Nation, thank you for joining. I'm seeing you for the first time. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook as well. Huh. Eve, are you serious? So the nannies actually meant this. You know, the older nanny used to be Korra's hater. Hey, and it baffles me that you just see someone, you dislike the person to the point that you want to say all manner of things to hurt the person. And then after living with this guy, she saw things for herself. She saw things for herself. Now she was the one writing on people's comments what she experienced being a nanny to this man for 1 year. And people were advising him, no, you don't just write because he's intimidating you now. If you have a case, go to CPS. If truly she went to CPS, oh my goodness, and if she has documented evidence, being an older woman, she might know how to document it. If she had documented evidence against this man, it will not go well with this man. Honestly, they are going to use all of those things against him. They are. So if you love him, all of you claiming to love him, leave him alone. We are not holding him, by the way. I'm just in my house talking with my mouth and my microphone. So I don't have him here with me. And nobody in my comment section has this man in her house. So he is in his house. We are in our homes. So if you truly love him, this is the time for all of you to genuinely tell this man the truth. And this social media thing is not going to help. There is no point fighting your ex on social media. There is no point. I've said that numerous times here on my live stream. If you have a family problem, if you have anything, marriage or divorce, separation, take them off social media. And I will not forget how Nancy Umeh came when this man made public announcement that he's divorcing Korra and was busy writing things, saying all manner of things against Korra. Nancy came and pleaded on social media, let their privacy be protected. As a family, they want to go in the houses, their homes, to sort the things out. And pleaded with this man, take this off social media. So for anybody thinking that, yeah, all the blame is on Korra, no, think again. Korra never used her mouth or maybe wrote somewhere that she's having a marital problem with the ex. She never did. This man brought it on social media because he felt at the time he was winning. It was so temporary. 3 years down the line, how is he going? Let us learn from these things. Everything that is happening per purpose. And if you're not learning, think again. We might be here having conversation discussing this, but we are putting in one or two things, lessons about life. If you're divorcing or you're fighting with your ex, your whatever, your husband, your lover, social media is not the place. And for anybody thinking social media is not here to stay, it's here to stay. Take your fears off social media. If you like, go to court, get judgment, and end it there. But you coming to fight your enemy because you have gained some minions fighting for you, and those making money with your name thinking they love you, they don't love you. So for all of you, Mr. Justin and Mr. Korra Obidi's fans, tell him the truth. It's time to call it a day. Wait, no response. Tell everybody you're done with this case and take your eyes off your ex. Take your eyes off your ex. I don't see anything that Korra posted on June's page that is out of extraordinary that would have warranted a father to delete the page. I don't see anything bad. Just the children's videos and pictures. When they're even well clothed and well dressed, having fun. But because you have your eyes fixed on your ex, you can't move forward. How is a relationship over? You know a relationship over when you're able to live past your ex. Your ex is not the center of your conversation. Your ex is not the center of your life. But this man is highly, highly obsessed with the ex. Don't take my word for it. The little Junie Said the guy has the mother's picture in their in their. Anyway, let's continue. Let's continue before I divert. All of you coming in now, thank you for joining. Let me see if I can read off some more comments. Yeah, she refused to give up updates on her live, or she was very happy. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to see if I can get the documents of the court from the online people that used to, post them. Once we get it, tomorrow we'll come back to discuss. Is that it's just about 3:58 p.m. in California, so I don't know why they haven't updated. I'm following their time seriously, hoping to get an update. Korra is live and was very happy. That's a good thing. He's definitely going cray cray. Chinelo, hi, how you doing? He's definitely going cray cray. Reason he deleted the video. Dude is going through hell. He doesn't want to give up. Sincerely speaking, if they through all those people gingering him, all those people making money out of his name, and he thinks they love him, let them tell this guy to stop. Because every one of us, we have a breaking point. There is so much we can take. And this guy is already breaking down. Let them tell him stop and take your eyes off your ex. Move on with your life. Get a girlfriend. Do you understand? Let him live a little because he's not living. If you're still stuck with your past is every time you make a sentence, you're making reference about your past. You haven't made a single progress from the day that your ex left your home or your house or your life. It's until you leave past your ex. Now you know you have survived a divorce. Anyways, Korra did a live today on YouTube. She won. She totally her civil right back. Oh, you go see her video. Hey, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm checking it out right now, and I'm going to watch it fully later. This live stream is not going to be more than an hour and 15 minutes, so I can be able to get by. How did I miss that Korra's live? How? I guess I was 17 minutes ago. How did I miss it? Ah, okay, I was still at work at the time, I guess. Kim B spoke to the older lady and she couldn't say some of the stuff on public platform. Are you for real? Somebody told me about this. Is it on Kim's platform? Let me go and look for the video and watch. I want to have the evidence myself. Is it on Kim's platform? Is it on the platform? I want to watch. Hmm. The game is over now. It's time for them to look for someone else to hate. I tell you, Suzette, it's time. They should just stop. Ah, I know the court hasn't finally back. Okay, Cora is finally back. That's the title of the video. So I'm definitely going to watch this to digest. And if there are any clue, if I get any hint from what she's saying, and like I said, if the documents are the court documents, if they're uploaded, we'll definitely have a tangible conversation tomorrow with the facts of the proceedings of the court. So I'm looking seriously, hoping they will drop it. Jealousy and greedy is cancerous. See, Chinelo, this thing you put here, let me even asterisk it. It is worse than anything. For the fact that you're jealous of someone and you're greedy at the same time, it's like two worse things at one. There is nothing as horrible as that. If this man should tell himself the truth and all his fans, let them tell him, oh boy, it's time to quit. Give it up. Move on. Hi, Kofi. Thank you for joining me today. Kofi, you know you're my plug. Please, what is the latest? What is the latest? Hey, I'm seeing Cora and her children hugging. Oh, hey. So does that mean that this guy is not going to delete that? I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Honestly, I'm just saying. But Oyoyo, you always say he needs help. Of course, he needs help, Joanne. He needs help. But they're not seeing him as somebody who needs help. He does need help. Anxiety, depression is real. Mental health is a big deal. Is a big deal. I work with these things on a daily basis in my job. People having breakdowns, mental health problems. And if I should sit down to help someone get by, make provision for that person to be able to continue to function. I know why I'm talking about this guy. If they truly love him, all these fans, if you guys love him truly, tell him the truth. Game up, game over. Oga, focus on you. On you. Debbie said they still have the 50-50 custody. He dismissed the arrow to have the girls on social media. Whoo! Okay. Mm. He's tired. He tried getting new girlfriend, but he's mentally not ready. Those girls never had a chance. He wanted Korra. I really feel sorry for anybody jumping into a relationship with him right now because he's not in the right frame for a relationship. If you ever had a anything in life, maybe a breakup with someone, there is no need jumping straight into another relationship. You need to heal. When I mean you need to heal, why? Okay, Joanne said I'm always saying he needs help. Yes, let me also go back there. In the court document he submitted, which is part of the hearing today, he sought from the court that Cora will pay for his medical bills that he needs to get mental health because of the stress, the anxiety, the depression he's been going through since all this. He has spoken out on that document openly, telling people he needs help. And if truly they love him, I've been saying this, if truly they love him, they can get him sections to see a specialist, maybe a therapist. Is a way of, okay, pouring your mind with your therapist, telling him what you've gone through, what you're going through, things like that. And then your therapist is going to review your case and then tell you, what, I think this is the way to start going about it. Let's find some healing. He needs help. Is in his court document to the court that he wants Cora to get to finance, to take care of the medical bills because of what he's going through. Cora won everything she prayed for Oyoyo. Hey, Kofi, slow down. Kofi, where is the evidence? I don't talk without fact. Where is the evidence? Because I haven't seen it. I've been checking that website. They've not uploaded it. Where is the evidence? Please let me know where you're getting this evidence from. I would love to have it. Cora said, "Is a new day, and the past is in the past, and anyone bringing up the past will be blocked." Hey, hey, hey! I like that. It's a new day. Oh. Kim was at Maurice, like, okay, was that where Kim shared the conversation she had with him? Okay, I get it. Wow, JD gave up the legal custody, Child Protection and Privacy Act because he didn't want to go to jail should the nannies appear as witnesses before the court. Kofi, this is not just talking. No, Amori is spilling everything on her live stream from the court. Oh, the court document already. Wow, how come I'm not seeing that? Let me go back and see. Oh my goodness, are you serious? Hey, are you serious? Hmm, this is serious, so honestly, this is serious. This is serious. Okay. Shelley is saying that this long mouth is the one pushing him. Is he a child? That a stranger is pushing you? Cora won the case. Yeah, I'm happy you guys are saying this. Hey, something changed yesterday. Something changed. Yesterday seems to me, JD lawyer advised him to settle this because KO lawyers had enough on to make things ugly. Therefore, settle with KO. This was the lawyer's advice. Are you serious? Hey, all that JD prayed the court were totally dismissed due to lack of prosecution. Okay. Hey, I would definitely, Kofi, I would definitely see that. I would definitely. Are you serious? I will definitely see that. I will definitely see that. Definitely. I will look for the document once I'm done. Like I said, this live stream is not going to be for a very long time. So I can be able to get all the information I need and catch me tomorrow on another live stream. Let's dissect the legal document, legally speaking. Okay, from my point of view as an officer of the court, we are going to dissect legally tomorrow once I get hold of those documents. Wow. So, what do you guys have to say now? Do you think if actually all the things you guys are telling me today, the court dismissed all the case due to lack of prosecution, but then we're hearing the case, maybe lack of evidence. If all of these things you guys are spilling are true, what do you guys have to say? Do you guys think he's going to bow down and then focus on his focus and concentrate on himself and allow Korra to live her life? Divorce is not the end of life. To many, it's actually the beginning of new things. We've seen some women that their life totally changed after coming out from a very horrible relationship or marriage. We've seen women thriving after divorce. So for the fact that the marriage A did not work for you doesn't mean that your life should end. If this guy can get that understanding, then he will move on and leave Korra alone. I'm very serious with what I'm saying. And I've continuously said the same thing in all my live stream. If you love him so much, the fans that will come and write nonsense on my comment section, tell him to focus on him. If he's going through anxiety, which is understandable, depression and all of that, let him get some therapy. Let him start living past his ex. Let him stop focusing on the ex. Let him find a way to parent in peace. But you guys are saying he has given up custody. Hey, Kofi, let's get to. Are you on Facebook? Let me give you a jingle right now. Kofi, if you're still here, please. I need to hear from you. I need to. Hmm. Kofi, are you still here? I'm gonna give you a call right now. Hey, oh my God, where is Kofi? Oh my goodness, why am I not seeing where to call? Exactly, that's what I believe. That's what I believe. He knows it's not looking well. It's not looking good. I believe that too. It's not looking good. That's why he will be able to do all of. Hey, MT, MT, you're my IT guru. MT, are you serious? People should have told me earlier on. Let me get some juice and wash it down because it wants it. Anything for the interest of those little girls is what I go for. Anything for their interest to safeguard their well-being for better. Hey, I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. Yeah, you're very correct here. I'm not sure he can really move on. It would be great if he moves on, right? It's time for him to seek help and leave the media. Exactly, exactly. But all of those women pumping him, thinking they were doing him some good, they are not doing him any good at all. They are not doing him any good. The game is up. Let them focus on how to raise these beautiful children that God bless them with. Hey, oh my goodness. Congratulations is in order. I'm just trusting everything you guys are telling me. Jaba went to CPS just because she signed. Oh, she signed on that duress, right? And is very angry. Okay, she has learned her lesson. Next time, My fellow sisters, my fellow black sisters, don't think you're going to be the messiah when your sister is out of that relationship. Yeah, I'm gonna treat him better. Find out why your sister ran before you jump to go and replace her. So now Jeba has learned her lessons. Guys, I don't know. I don't know. Kofi, I'm looking for you now. I'm looking for you, Kofi. I'm looking for you. I am seriously looking for you. If you're still here, I am looking for you. Seriously. Oh my goodness. I am seriously looking for you. I am looking for you. I'm looking for. Oh my, I have, yeah, there is something I'm looking for. If I get it, I'm going to holla you. I'm going to holla you, Kofi. Honestly. Hey, this is a leopard does not change their color. I really wish you would listen, because you only live once, and before you know it, people buy very quickly. He should listen. Oh, he signed. Coffee, oh, are you serious? Are you kidding me? So everything Cora sought for. I can't wait to get the hold of this document tomorrow. Are you kidding me? I can't wait. I can't wait to get hold of it. Are you serious? Hey, Kofi, my phone is dead. If not, I would have hollered you right now. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to get hold of it. That means I'm going to come back tomorrow for, legal analysis of that document once I lay my hands on them. We are going to talk about it tomorrow. So catch up with me tomorrow. I'm going to fix another live stream after this one so we can discuss. This is a good development, and I'm happy, if not for anything, for the sanity that this might bring. Okay, might bring to Korra and also the children. And if possible, if this man is ready to move forward, also sanity to him, if only he's ready to move forward. Okay, no more striking of Korra's page. Kofi, really? So it has to take this long for this guy to understand these things. Are you serious? Hey, gosh, unbelievable. It has to take this long for this guy to understand. Is that the truth? Why go this route? Why damage your reputation, your business reputation, everything because you felt it's going to be forever? Nothing is forever. Nothing. After deleting the daughter's page, imagine, after deleting the daughter's page, maybe his lawyer advised him to quit. Maybe. I'm just saying, maybe his lawyer advised him to quit. Maybe. Hi Nina, thank you for joining. Nina, it's been an amazing conversation this evening. Oh, I'm just hearing these stories that Cora won big today. Oh my goodness, this is really good news. Music to my ears. Okay, hey, unbelievable, unbelievable. I look forward to getting those documents tomorrow. And once I get them tomorrow, yes, I will tell you we are coming back here for legal analysis of the document. Unbelievable. Hey, coffee. Coffee! Are you seriously kidding me right now? Hey, I wish I know how to drink. I would have taken some champagne this night. Are you serious? So no longer I don't want my kids on social media. I don't want just because of Cora. Because the children's videos and pictures are being shared by his minions and he wasn't pulling any of those ones down. Ha! Turkey dinner. Ernestine, how are you doing, sis? Ah, this is a good one. Are you kidding me? Hey, gosh. Whoo! This is, you guys don't understand. This is very emotional right now. It is very emotional because you're doing so much to put food on your table. They are waiting for Korra to fail. Imagine waiting for Korra to fail. Somebody you have never met, your path never crossed with Korra, but outright hatred for one person. All those women in the WhatsApp group, outright hatred for one person. What did Korra do? Because she filed for divorce, right? So because you filed for a divorce, you now run into your shell. You will not leave anymore. Is that what they wanted for Korra Obidi? Is that what they wanted? The only offense Korra committed, their king and whatever said, I'm not doing it anymore. I'm filing for a divorce. Filed for divorce. He did not file. Korra took the courage, went to the court and filed. That was the only offense. As though Korra is going to be the first person to file for a divorce or the last woman on earth to file for a divorce. Why were these people against this girl? A circle of women were fighting to deport her, searching for criminal record on Korra. They did not find. They concocted all manner of stories. How Korra was sending videos to people in Mexico, all manner of things. They call her. One silly one came here calling Korra names. I just gave her. If you're just meeting me now, you might need to go back and watch a little. If they like, let them call her all manner of names. That does not change the equation in the court. The court still has the final say on what happens in this divorce and how the children will be raised. I can't believe this. This is seriously, in fact, this year's turkey, because Thanksgiving is coming next month, I'm going to look for the biggest bird to celebrate. Oh my goodness. This is totally in my stomach, if you know what that means. I'm just so happy. Yes, so big win. So she can get June's page back. I don't know. I don't know if they delete someone's page, if you can get it back. I'm going to research on that. Or I will call one social media guru friend of mine, though they are sleeping West African time, to see what she has to say about that. Doing the happy dance. Oh, hi, Oni. How are you doing, sis? Ah, Ernestine, you can say that again. KO will got no sweat if children show on her live stream. Oh, imagine. Imagine the pain. Ah, oh, 11 p.m. and lasted till 1 a.m. Oh, I did not know. I'm still struggling with jet lag, Kofi. You know, jet lag after you change a zone. And when Nigerians are sleeping, that's when I feel like sleeping. I did not know. Koreans, how you doing? Better than them. This is the time to play this song, honestly. Only honestly, glory to be to Almighty God. I'm telling you. I've never seen a place where a woman got a divorce. People came attacking her for living her life, living her truth. They came to parent her, to teach her how to mop her house, how to wash her pots, how to dress, what to feed to her children. There is nothing these women did not do. One made a live stream, and the topic on the live stream is that Cora doesn't take the children to McDonald's. Have you ever seen a human being like that? That every time you're feeding the children salad, it's the only salad they will eat. Ha! When I watched that live stream, I said, imagine low level human beings on social media telling an educated woman how to raise her children. So McDonald's is better than salad. In their mind, they think that is living, packing, you know, highly processed meal. on the children. That's what they want Korra to do. There is nothing they've not done to Korra. Is it reporting her page? Is it demonetization? Is he canceling her gigs? There is nothing. Calling CPS, calling police on. Well, if you can tell me one thing they haven't done, just one, nothing. They went overboard, did more than human beings that you expect human beings to do. Very, 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 very unkind. And most of these people are calling God every time they want to go to bed. Very unkind and wicked people. Very. Yes, so Eunice, our God no be man, oh. We pray God answer. Glory, glory. Hi, Tessa. Thank you for joining. When I see them babies today, I cry like a baby. Was so glad to see them. Honestly, Nina, this is so emotional, even hearing all of this today. And imagine tomorrow I'm going to come live. I might come very early tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Once I get hold of the document, I'll come very early, and maybe if there is time in the evening, I might as well do evening live stream. I'm so glad hearing most of the things you guys are sharing with me today. Is really, really victory, and I'm happy that going forward, people will focus. When I mean people, if at all they will, those minions, those women in the WhatsApp group, let them look for someone else to talk about or something else to talk about. And if they cannot find anything, let them talk about celebrities. Let them talk about American the election. It's all over the news. There are so many things to discuss. Or let them talk about T-Pain. T-Pain is happening in Nigeria because some of these women are Africans. There are so many things to talk about. The lady that is from Cameroon that is talking about Korra, you guys know her. Let them talk about their president that is 90 something years old and refused to leave the seat. The president that is peeing on the stage in the United Nations. There are so many things for them to talk about. The president has ruled them for 4 years. Now he loses 4 terms, not 4 years, 4 terms. He came to United Nations. He didn't know where he was. He was farting all over the place, all up and down. Let them talk about those things. How to save their citizens and leave Korra alone. Honestly. And the one, the long mouth that is from Nigeria. Talk about T-Pain. The height of, well, let's say the cost of living now in Nigeria is over the roof. Let them, there are so many things to talk about. Focus on those things. And leave this Mr. Korra Obidi alone. If he cannot think for himself, stop thinking for him. Let him start picking himself up and find a way to move on with his life. All this bunch of women, stop confusing him, because it seems he can't make decision by himself. He can't make by himself, obviously. All right, let's see. Let me see where I stop. Well, all right. I specifically asked God for divine justice, and he answered all prayers. To God be all the glory. Aww. Glory to God. God, Papa Obidi is, God of Papa Obidi is working. Oh, I like that. God of Papa Obidi is working. Thank God, Janice Brown, blessing upon blessing, and all other you guys blessed and highly favored. Honestly, for all of you that gathered for that prayer, God bless you guys richly. Lynn, thank you for joining today. Now, JD's Minion are planning to start reporting all Korra's pages, YouTube channels, and even Athena pages. Just imagine how low they can stoop because of hate. I tell you guys, I just told you one of them is from Cameroon. Okay, she should talk about what is happening in Cameroon. Their president has been there for 4 terms. The man is old. He cannot think anymore. He goes for international conventions and conferences. He'll be farting and not knowing he was with people. Let him talk about that, about her country. Honestly. That president don't buy. He never buy you. I've not heard, or maybe they're hiding from us. I don't know. Hi, Ife. Good evening. How are you doing? If you're just coming now, please do a rewatch because we are rounding up. My audience, they've been the ones providing us with conversation today. Like you guys know, I love to hear from my audience, and you guys are well equipped with information today. We are happy that Cora won big in court today. I was only thinking it was the RO that was thrown away. That's the restraining order, not knowing that this guy now succumbed to full custody to Cora. I don't want to speak so much about that until I have the document on my hands so that I can talk with the facts. Unbelievably, if that is true. Unbelievably. Give me one. So, guys, it's been an amazing evening with all of you. Honestly, I'm so happy you guys brought all this information and you guys are up to your game. Thank you immensely for joining me today with an amazing conversation. And also, you guys are ahead on this conversation. Sincerely, I appreciate all of you with information. And indeed, it's a good day for Cora. It is a good day. Check me out tomorrow. I'll be going live tomorrow, which will be my morning, which will be your afternoon. Tomorrow, if you're watching from Europe or you're watching from West Africa, okay, check me out tomorrow. So thank you guys immensely. I don't think it's true because Cora never wanted full custody. She wanted to share custody on her platform. She wanted share custody, but the court can decide otherwise if the other parents, if they deem the other parent unfit to be a parent. They can grant full custody to the fit parent. So, for the fact that she wanted share custody, that does not mean the court is going to depend on that. The court is going to review all the facts and evidence before it and then decide this person did AYZ against AYZ law or rules. And then based on that, we are granting full custody to a parent that is more suitable and fit to parent the children. So it's not set on stone. It's something there is always an adjustment to those kind of ruling. For the fact that she doesn't want it doesn't mean the court is going to listen to Cora. The court is going to decide on the best interest of the children. That's what the court looks at, the best interest of the children. All right. So I want to thank all of you once again for joining me. Don't forget to join me tomorrow. This is 1 hour, 18 minutes that I've been talking. I will come live tomorrow again when I have the whole document before me so that I can read them myself to be able to speak. Yeah, this is what the law is saying. This is what the judgment of the court, the proceeding, this is what the court decided. Okay. So catch me tomorrow. So catch me tomorrow on my live stream. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel today, do me well by subscribing. Share as well with your friends and families. Invite your friends to Oyoyo's World here on YouTube and Oyoyo's World on Facebook. And if you're coming to rewatch, please leave me your thoughts and comment in the comment section. If all the information I gathered today on this live stream are to be true, that means it's a big, 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 big congratulations for Korra Obidi. So see you guys tomorrow and do me well by liking this video if you haven't liked the video yet. Like this video. Let's get the likes up. Like the video, share the video, support Oyoyo. You can also join my membership. Join my membership here to support what we do. That is another way to support me. Until I see you guys tomorrow, stay well and still stay positive. Let's cross our fingers and dot our eyes and cross our T's that all the information we have heard about today from my audience are what is in the court document. I'm going to be getting that after this live stream, and we'll come back tomorrow to analyze them. Until I see you guys tomorrow, stay blessed and be kind towards yourself and one another. Bye, everyone.